Meaning of greenback.
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 Greenback. The term greenback refers to paper currency that is issued by the United States government. The name originated during the American Civil War when the government issued paper money for the first time, and the bills were printed with green ink on the back. Today, the term greenback is still used as a slang term for U.S. dollars, particularly in informal contexts. The significance of the term lies in the fact that it reflects the historical development of American financial institutions and has come to represent the power and prestige of the U.S. economy.